Hello guys, Gaurav this side. This video is basically related to one issue in which we have stuck down lock screen. Just like we are booting our Windows and after that either we are getting one error, your PIN is disabled or expire, or we just forgot our Microsoft account login credentials by which we are not able to access our device. So basically if you are at that page, just like you are logging in your system, either you are getting this error, your PIN got disabled, or if you forget your Microsoft account credential by which you are not able to access your device. So just see this video till the end and you will get the solution. Okay, so why this happen in my device? Just like suddenly I'm getting this, my PIN got disabled or expired. See, only two reasons are there behind this. First, your security update. If any security update has recently done in your system which directly impacts the TPM, because Windows Hello and BitLocker recovery services is handled by the TPM only. So if any update is directly hit the TPM or reset or update the TPM, then you can get this error, just like your PIN got disabled. And the second reason is just like if the NGC folder which handles the Windows Hello, just like the PIN and the fingerprint all. So if the NGC folder got corrupted due to any changes in the device, then it shows that your PIN got disabled. So these major two reasons are there by which you are getting this error. Mainly the users are getting this error after the Windows update, just like they have done some updates, after that they are getting this error. Okay, so Windows update directly hits the TPM if any security update has done in your system. So you just need to create a restore point before that. Okay, just like if any security update is there, so to save your system you just need to create a restore point. Okay, and yeah, the second reason is if we forget our credentials, just like our Microsoft account password, or just like if we are using any local account with the password, then also this we have stuck on the lock screen direct. So for this we have only simple two troubleshootings, okay, by which you will guaranteed get the solution. So the first troubleshooting is you just need to hold the shift key, just like on the keyboard you just need to hold the shift key, and on the lock screen we are getting the power option, right, power icon. So just hold the shift key and just click on the power icon and just restart it. Okay, while holding the shift key, don't leave the shift key. Okay, we just need to hold it until we are getting an option please wait. Okay, just hold the shift key, click on the power icon on the screen, not the power button. Okay, don't click on the power button directly. On the screen we are getting power icon, just click on it and just restart it. Okay, I'm still holding my shift key, so it will show please wait. After that you will get four options. Okay, I will show on my screen also. You will get four options: continue, advanced option, user device, troubleshoot. So first we need to go in the troubleshoot option. Okay, in the troubleshoot you will get advanced option. Okay, second option is of advanced. So go in the advanced option, check the fifth option, it is of system restore. Okay, so if any update makes any changes in your system, okay, so the system restore can restore it. Okay, but after the latest update of 22S2, 23S2 and 24H2 in Windows 10 and 11, okay, because Windows 10 runs on the 22S2 only, this system restore only works with the previous versions. If your system is running on 21S2 or 20H2, then this will work. If your system has upgraded in the latest one, 23S2, 24S2 or 22S2 of Windows 10, right? So this system restore have 5% chances to recover the device. Okay, only 5% chances. Okay, so you can go and just find the restore point, the latest one, the first one, and just click on it and just run it. Okay, it will take approx 5 to 7 minutes only. Okay, max 5 to 7 minutes, and in that also you just need to just reboot your device and check if you are getting the PIN option. If you forget the login credential, so we just need to go with the second option, which is reset this PC. Okay, so in the same continue, advanced option, troubleshoot, so here you will get the option troubleshoot, just click on it, and the first option you will get reset this PC. Okay, so few users thinks that reset this PC while keeping my files and data, so it will resolve my issue or not. So see, keeping your data and files, so it will keep your user profile also. Okay, the user credential and all. So keeping the data, it will not help you. Okay, you will again get the same one. Okay, just your PIN got disabled or just like your same password, the system will ask. So don't go with the reset by keeping your files and apps. Okay, don't go with that. We just need to remove everything. Okay, if you have any data in C drive, you can take the backup. Okay, and if you don't have any data in C drive, because D, E, the other partition will be safe in this process. Okay, if you have any data in D drive, E drive, then it will save. This reset process will only done in the C drive. Okay, so the C drive will remove your files as well as your apps, okay, which you have installed manually. Just like the Windows apps will not removed, but the additionally you have done something, just like you have downloaded a game, or if you download the Chrome app, so it will be removed, okay, and the data of C drive will be removed. So if you are okay with that, then just go with the reset. Okay, reset process will take approximately 15 to 40 minutes as per the processing of your device. Okay, so within 15 to 40 minutes the reset process will complete. So just go on the reset this PC option and just click on clean the drive, just like remove everything. After that you will get an option cloud installation, local installation. So go with the local one. Okay, just click on the local one and the reset process will start. Okay, just remember one thing, while resetting the device you just need to connect your charger in your system. Okay, because if due to the battery issue, if the reset got failed, okay, then you can get the blue screen also, just like blue screen error. So just connect your charger, go with the reset process. After 15 to 40 minutes, just like you will get your system back, and it will again ask you to create the passwords and all. Okay, so in this process the data will be safe, but the C drive data will be removed. Okay, your external partition data will be safe. In system restore, all the data of CDE, all the data will be safe. Okay, so you can just go with the system restore first. Okay, if you have the older version, the system restore will definitely work for you. Okay, if you have the latest version 22S2 and more than that, okay, then this system restore will not work because of advanced security. Okay, so it will not rechange the TPM also. Okay, so hope you will get the solution with this video, and yeah, you can subscribe my channel. If you need any help, just comment me below. I will reply or create a video on that. Okay, thank you.